Hey guys, it's Jayesh here. In today's tutorial, we are gonna be making a nature scene in Blender. So let's get started. First, now I have posted the link in the description to download these asset packs. I will switch to cycles and add a GPU computer here. Now first I will add here a camera and place it as you wish. And I have posted the link how I create trees and also the grass. I will add a plane here and scale it, place it here, and I will add some subdivision to it. I have added 6 subdivision to it, and make sure that you are on proportional editing. I will edit some ground here as I have in mind. I will add a displace modifier to it and make it a new texture here. I will add a clouds texture and press Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision modifier. I will reduce its strength and rotate it. I will do some more changes to this. Now I will make the middle part to be more shallow and adjust some of our settings, and we'll duplicate. So now after customizing our ground, I will place the tree and make sure that you have selected both the leaves and tree. To duplicate it, I will place the tree a little behind to have some variations of distance. And if you want to make a tree very far from a tree, you can scale it down to make illustration that the tree is very far. You can place your trees as in any angle which you want. I will place the shrub to the part where we have to fill anything. Shrubs are mainly used for filling any nature scene in 3D. Now I will add a particle system to our ground to add grass. I will make the children to interpolate it, and I will add a wet paint layer to our ground to make a fall road. For that I will make a straight line to it. It will automatically create our vertex group. I will do the same into the next plane. A simple line. I will add the same particle system which I have added in the first plane of our scene. You will get a texture, not the texture, a collection called F grass. So select it, and I will select advance, and make the rotation velocity to be X, and enable the object rotation. And you can play along with any setting which you want, and you can also follow my settings to make the ground even look realistic. So if you see in the render scene, it will look very terrible. To fix it, I will add here a light. I will place it correctly, and now you can see that our scene is looking very good. But I will increase the strength to 7 and make the color to be yellow. If you see sun's color, you can find that it is like yellow shade. I will also visible the grass of the second plane of our scene, and I will increase the scale of the plane, the grass scale. Now I will add the vertex group to our planes, and I will invert it by clicking the arrow. I will do the same in this plane also. So now you can see that there is a fall road. Now I will enable a add-on called import images as planes add-on, but I have enabled it already. You have also enabled it. I will add here background. Make sure that you have selected image. I have posted the link in the description to download this background. I am not using here any HDR app because this images helps a lot to reduce your render time. So now if we go into the render scene, the scene is looking very good. I will move the I will add some texture to our ground. For adding texture to our ground, I will enable a add-on which helps to reduce our time in node editor, which is node wrangler add-on. I will press Ctrl plus Shift plus T and select the texture which I have posted the link in the description, so check and download it. I will assign the same texture to the second plane also. No, it's not the correct, yeah, it's the correct. Now if you go into the render view, you will find that it's very good scene. It's looking very cool without any compositing also. So this is our last render. I have also created this scene using the grass in the asset. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Click like if you like this tutorial. Thanks.